On a warm, gentle evening in February, the sun dipped low in the sky, painting the Jamaican horizon in brilliant hues of orange and pink. Underneath a swaying mango tree on their cozy porch, Darnell and Anita settled into their favorite wicker chairs, glasses of bubbling rose wine in hand, and little Valentines treats of mixed chocolates, slices of their favorite cakes, and crunchy nuts glazed in sugary coatings. It was Valentine's Day, and the scent of perfumed oil danced through the air, bringing a touch of nostalgia. As they clinked their glasses, Darnell leaned back, a smile playing on his lips. "Remember the time we got caught in that rainstorm at the beach?" he chuckled, recalling their wild laughter as they sprinted for cover, only to find solace under a thatched gazebo. Anita's eyes sparkled with delight. "And you challenged me to a race, only to trip and fall right into the sand. I thought you'd never get up." They both erupted in laughter, the sound mingling with the soft rustle of palm leaves around them. With each sip of wine, they reminisced about their first dance at the local festival, the swirling lights, and how Darnell awkwardly stepped on her toes yet continued to twirl her effortlessly. "I knew then you were the one," he said, his gaze softening, "even if I did ruin those dance shoes." The sun finally set, casting a warm glow on their entwined hands. Amidst their chatter, the memories wove a tapestry of love, laughter, and unwavering connection. Together, they realized that every shared moment, be it silly, romantic, or simply ordinary, had brought them closer. On this Valentine's Day, there was no need for grand gestures. Their porch, alive with shared laughter and sweet memories, was the perfect retreat. And as the stars began to twinkle above, Darnell